my name is Kishoran Gunsegaran. I'm from STKT Rawang. My class name is 6 follower. I'm very glad to be here. I have learned a lot, which is taught by Mr. Chris, and this is one new experience for me, and have gained a lot of experience.
Hi, my name is Darshana. I learned today that achievement is very not easy to get, and we must success in our life. We must be brave and never give up.
Hello, my name is Tanisha Nayan Mohandas. I am 6 follower. I am studying in STKT Rawang. I was learned today how to be a good student and good daughter in the universe. Thank you.
Learn about how to be a good boy and good son. Hi, my name is I want to talk how good son and good student.
My name is Devsir. My age is 12. I read in STKT Rawang. Today I learned about we must not give up in any situation.
This motivation camp, I will learn about of things, how to be honest, how we must study hard and we must be very gratefully in the studies. Then we must be a lecturer in Oxford or Cambridge, that is something. And I learn about a deed means we must be a brother, a sister, and must be a good student in all the activities of all the students.